Hi guys, my name is Rory Kirk, I'm 15 years old and this is my 2018 bike check. Okay, so I have the 2018 Transition Patrol size medium with space grey type colour. It has a Fox DPX2 with 170 mils of travel, a couple volume spaces, super nice and plush. I have on the front a Fox 36 Performance Elite fork with 2 volume reducers, and it's 170 mils of travel. So I have 27.5 wheels with race face R30 rims with race face 15 by 110 millimeters straight pull hubs. For my front tire I have a Minion DHF Super Tacky DH casing 2.5 wide. On the rear I have an Onza Citius EDC casing 2.4. So for my cockpit I have brown Chromag block grips with gold clamps. I have Core Mega carbon bars are 760mm wide. On that I have the Guide RS brakes. They have 180mm rotors and a 4-pod caliper. I have a Core 40mm stem with a Cane Creek headset and a C6 carbon spacers. Post, I have the RockShox Reverb 150mm dropper post. I don't know if mine is faulty, but it likes to do this. If you rub the bike right here by these charger sock stickers, it's just like, it's super nice on the climbs. Riding height is prime. On my dropper post I have the Chromag Moon Seat 135. How does it say? On my bars for the group set I have a SRAM XX1 shifter, very nice cable. I have SRAM X01 carbon fiber cranks with DMR Brendog Volt signature pedals. I have a Core 32 tooth chainring, KMC super light gold chain, gold. I have SRAM X01 11 speed derailleur and a SRAM 11 speed cassette. What else is on there? Jokes, that's not the end, boys. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Nice. Hello, cousin.